Okay, so we saw binary search trees. Those are binary trees where the left node is less and the right node is greater than the current node. In case of heaps, the change is that the node can be greater than or less than the children. So over here, the diagram we have is for a min heap. There are basically two types of heaps: min heap or max heap. In min heap, the current data, for example, over here we have 3, is less than both the children, which is 5 and 9. Okay, so in case of max heap, the only difference will be the data over here should be greater than the left child and the right child. Okay, so as I told you, the left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys lesser and so on. So where is this used in applications? This is basically used in heap sort. Now heap sort is a sorting algorithm. We won't be talking about it, and it also is used in priority queues. Okay, so let's see how we can build heaps. So how do we build heaps? So first of all, I want to talk about the representation of heaps. Unlike binary search trees, usually heaps are basically represented in arrays. Okay, so the thing is, the root for any node, the children, is basically stored in 2i and 2i plus 1. So basically we have a heap over here which is 9, 6, 5, 2, 3. So the children for 9, which is 0th position, will be stored at 2 into 0 and 2 into 0 plus 1, which is 6 and 5. Okay, and similarly it goes on. So how do we build heaps? Now, while building heaps, the first condition which we need to take care of is the leaf. Now, leaf nodes are always heaps. So we don't need to do anything with the leaf nodes. So which is 5, 3 and 2. We begin with the inner nodes. The first inner node is 6. Okay, so we apply a procedure called as heapify. So what is heapify? What it does is basically considers the current node, it checks both of the child nodes, and depending on if it's min heap or max heap, it replaces one of the nodes. So over here we are building min heaps. 6 is less than 2 and 3, but in 2 and 3, 2 is the lesser one, so we need to replace 6 with 2, so it gets swapped. Okay, and now what we do is we go to the next inner leaf, which in case is 2 only, which is 9 in the current state. So now we apply the heapify this on the 9. So what happens now is we check what is less. Again, 2 is less, we swap 2 with 9, 2 goes to the root and 9 comes over here. And now here's the note thing: whenever we apply a heapify structure procedure on a node, we need to again apply it on the node which we changed. So which is in this case this node where the 9 has come now. So we need to apply heapify procedure again on this. We again compare 6 and 3. We see 3 is the smaller one. We swap it. We have 3 over here and 9 goes to the bottom. And so finally over here what we have is our min heap. So that is what basically heaps are, and this is how we build the heaps.